Hi, James Streakey here with Wealth Watch Advisors, back with another market update. We had a pretty interesting week last week. The market was effectively flat, the S&P down 0.1%. Powell decided to hold the rates. The Fed was pretty unanimous in that decision to keep the Fed funds rate stable and not cut. So we're again looking forward to June to see if cuts start then. But they were citing fears of inflation and just general economic uncertainty. Earnings reports were coming in fairly positive. Again, a lot of companies beating or matching expectations. Again, guidance has been shaky, but also over the weekend we saw that there was a big pause, a 90-day pause on the China tariffs, dropping down to a 10% flat rate with a 20% rate on anything that could be linked to fentanyl, bringing that rate to 30% on certain goods from there. But in general, back down to a 10% flat rate on China. The market responded extremely positively, being up about 3% on Monday morning pre-market and opening right around that mark. So as we look forward, again, we're looking for more of the economic indicators and reports coming out in the coming weeks. We're also looking ahead to see if the Fed will eventually cut in June, especially if they come through with large deals with China. That would be an extreme positive and help the Fed have an easier decision on that front. But again, we're seeing very positive movements moving forward, and we'll be back with next week with another update and keep you guys informed. Thanks.